Hello friends, my name is Mahi and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn and Earn with Mahi. In today's video, I will tell you how to install VST plugins in your OBS Studio. Friends, installation of VST plugins in OBS Studio is little tricky, so please watch full video if you want to learn and do not skip any part of this video. First, let me tell you what is VST plugins and what you can do by installing it in your OBS Studio. Friends, VST plugins are basically audio plugins that make your voice more sweet while recording or streaming video on the internet. By using VST plugins, you can add thousands of effects in your audio. You can add echo in your voice, you can add tracks in your streaming, and you can compose your audio as you want. So let's start. Okay friends, let me open first our OBS Studio. We will run it first that I can show you that there is no installed any plugin. We will go to setting of this audio our mic, and I will go to filters. I already have added here VST plugins. If you have not added, you can add by click on this plus button, and then you click VST 2.x plugin. You have to click here and it will be added to your this window. Okay, after that we can select from this list our installed VST plugins, but you see there is no any VST plugin installed yet. First we will install these plugins. To install any plugin, first you have to go to internet. You can search in internet VST plugins on Google. There is a lot of websites where you can download your favorite VST plugin. You can even search your favorite, like if you want to add echo, you can search echo VST plugin. There are many echo VST plugins on the internet. You can download anyone you like. Okay, I have already downloaded some VST plugins. First I will close this OBS Studio. I have already downloaded here some plugins. Okay, there is two type of plugins. First I will show you this one. You see here Windows, and here you see one exe file. These are exe files that you can install by just click on the double click on this setup file. But there is some other VST plugins that I will show you here. You see here some combination of some .ini, .dll, .txt files like this, and you can install these plugins without exe file. I will show you how to install this type of plugins and how to install this exe file plugins. Okay, first I will install this plugin. Okay, I will copy this from here, Control C, and we have to go to our disk C, and you have to go to program files. If you are using If you are using 32-bit window, then you have to choose program files x86. Otherwise, if you are using 64-bit Windows, then you have to go to program files, and here you have to create one folder. Okay, VST plugins. Okay, you have to create, as I am creating in this video, you have to create same name folder in this program, under this folder program files. Okay, and now you have to copy these files from that folder I show you before. Okay, continue, and now I will open again OBS Studio. After installing a VST plugin, you have to restart your OBS Studio, so it load files from that folder. Okay, we will go to filter, and from this list you can see here now this plugin is installed. We click on this, we selected this. from this list, and now we will click on open plugin interface, and you can see this plugin has been opened. From here you can do what you want. Okay, we will install also, then we will close this OBS Studio again, and we will go once again in this folder VST plugins, and we will install this time this exe file. Okay, we will double click on this. Yes, okay, agree, next, install. Okay, now let me show you. You see in the same folder we have this new install plugin. Okay, actually when we click on this exe file, it do not install any program in our programs, but it copied these plugin files in this folder. Okay, if there is no VST plugin folder, that it will create automatically, but if it's already created, it will copy this plugin file .dll file in this folder. So we will check it again. Okay, we'll click on the list. Okay, you can see there is one more plugin that we just installed recently. Open it and you can see. Okay, and you can play now with your streaming or with your recording. Okay, we will close it. Okay, and there is one more plugin that we can install. If you here only, here's one DL file. Let me copy this DL file, copy and copy in this plugin folder. Okay, let me restart OBS. Go to audio filters. Okay, let me, okay, this also has been installed. Let me check if it's working. No, I think I want to copy the cache log. No, actually we do not need. I think there is any problem with this plugin, so we will simply delete it from this folder of plugins, and it has been uninstalled. This is the way to uninstall a plugin. You have to simply delete the file of that plugin from this folder, and it will be uninstalled. Okay, so this was the way to install audio plugins in your OBS Studio. I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe my channel, like this video and share and also this video. Thank you very much.